Hey guys, today we'll be looking at your hip internal rotation, pails and rails in the 90-90 position. So for this, what we're going to do is get to this 90-90 position and go until you feel you're in range of motion, so at a stretch. You may feel it here in this position. I'll also have a video of some modifications that you can do, but basically the main one is you're going to be propping your butt up on a pillow of some sort, or we can come down and we can lean towards the side here or back as well. Both of those options will allow you to sit into the position, but we're going to come up. If this still isn't getting you to stretch, you can turn towards the hip and really try to sit your butt down. It's going to take you to that in range of motion here. So once you're at that in range of motion, what we're going to be doing is our pails contraction. So we're going to be really pushing into the ground here. So we're going to hold our passive stretch for 1 to 2 minutes. And now we're going to push into the ground for 15 seconds. And then once we're done with that 15 seconds, we're going to really fire the hip, trying to bring the leg off the ground. And in doing so, really even going more into that stretch. So after we've sat here for our 1 to 2 minutes, now we're going to push down, ramping up from 0 to our max safest contraction. So we'll start here, pressing down, building up from about 20, 40, 60, 80, and then our max contraction. Hold for about another 5 seconds for a total of that 15. And then as soon as we're not even going to relax, we're just going to go straight into that next one. Trying to bring our leg off. And then after that 15 seconds is out, try to relax deeper into the stretch. If you get a cramp at all, shake it out. That's perfectly normal. Just go back into it. We're going to sit in this position again just until your muscles kind of recover if they're cramping. So about 30 seconds to a minute most likely. Once again, you're trying to really, after that rails contract, trying to really lift off. You're probably not going to get too far. You may notice as you're trying to lift, you're going farther into that stretch. So that is one round right there, is the 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minute passive stretch, 15 seconds pushing down to the ground, 15 seconds trying to pull up. That is one round. Generally do about 2 to 3 rounds. So just keep going farther into that passive range of motion and then continuing from there.